In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your own sand textured painting. Let's get started. So what you'll need for this tutorial is some wood glue, a canvas, sand, and some water. And I'm going to start with the sand mixture. I'm going to mix it with some wood glue. And then I'm gonna add some water to it as well, and I kept adding more and more water because I realized that it was a little bit too dry for it to stick to the canvas. So I kept adding water and until the mixture got a little bit more creamy. For this next step, I'm adding the sand to the canvas, and I am just kind of pouring it out with a palette knife and covering the canvas with the sand. So this is a little bit messy, but I promise that the result will look a lot better than it does right now. So you just keep spreading the sand over the canvas until it's covered the entire canvas. And something that I realized after I'd spread it all over the canvas is that you can actually add glue to the canvas before you add the sand to make sure that the sand will stick even more. So I do recommend that, pouring some glue onto the canvas before you add the sand if you want. But it worked out for me anyway, and I didn't do that for the entire canvas. In this next step, I'm going to pour some glue into a plastic lid. And I'm also going to add some water to it. And then I poured over the canvas. And I realized this part got a little bit blurry. I didn't realize my camera was out of focus. I'm just spreading the water and glue over the canvas, and I tilted it a little bit to get it to go into all the areas of the painting. Then I let the painting dry overnight, and this is what it looked like the next day. So as you can see, it was really dry and everything had hardened and it was stuck on the canvas. So that was a good sign. For this next step, I'm going to take a paper plate and I'm going to put some acrylic paint on there. So I'm using some different colors, some brighter and some darker shades. And I'm just painting the canvas with the different colors. I kind of wanted to create a blend between the colors. And then I made sure to blend it all together to make it look a bit more seamless. And I'm so happy. I really loved the painting part because you can really see the painting come to life. It looks a bit boring when it's just sand, but when you see all the colors come together, it looked so pretty. In this last step, I'm adding some white to different sections of the painting. I added some white to add some dimension, and I also went in with some black in the darker areas. and this is the final result. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked this video, and I will see you in the next one.